Welcome back to TechNova AI 12, where AI meets future tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in modern technology: how robots use artificial intelligence. From humanoid robots that can talk and learn to self-driving drones and robotic arms in factories, AI has completely changed what robots can do. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how robots think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. Let's start simply. Robot is any machine that can sense its surroundings, process information, and act on it. But here's the twist: without AI, robots are just programmed machinists. Think of AI as the robot's brain. It connects three main parts. 1. Perception. Robots use sensors like cameras, LiDAR, and microphones. 2. Processing. The AI analyzes the data using algorithms, often inspired by how the human brain works. 3. Action. Based on that analysis, the robot decides what to do next, whether that's moving, speaking, or solving a task. For example, a cleaning robot uses AI to map your home, detect obstacles, and find the fastest route to clean. Efficient robots are trained on massive datasets, for example, images, speech, or movement patterns. Simply, a robot dog from Boston Dynamics learns to balance and walk on rough terrain, not because someone coded every movement, but because the AI learned from trial and error through simulation. That's what makes AI-powered robots flexible and intelligent. Let's look at real-world examples. 1. Sophia, the humanoid robot. She uses AI for facial recognition, speech, and conversation. 2. Tesla's Optimus robot, a humanoid robot designed to handle daily human tasks, powered by Tesla's self-driving AI system. 3. Warehouse robots like Amazon's. These use AI to navigate huge warehouses, lift products, and work side by side with humans safely. 4. Medical robots. Surgical robots use AI for precision operations, reducing risk and improving recovery time. 5. AI drones used for deliveries, security, and even disaster relief. Each of these examples shows how AI lets robots go beyond automation. The future of robotics and AI is just beginning. Soon, we'll have robots that can learn tasks by watching humans, just like children do. We will help robots understand human emotions, collaborate it with humans more safely. Experts predict that within the next decade, robots will take on roles in healthcare, education, defense, and even companionship. But here's the big question: will AI robots ever truly? That's what scientists are still exploring. So there you have it. Robots use AI to see, think, learn, and act, making them the most powerful machines ever built. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your tech-loving friends. And comment below: do you think AI robots will ever replace humans completely? This is TechNova 12, where artificial intelligence meets future tech. See you in the next video.